Hello everyone, welcome to Welfare Physics YouTube channel. Student, how are you? I hope you will be in prep for the examination. Student, we have started black body radiation. In the previous video, we have discussed black body, its introduction, explanation. Its curve has been plotted, which explained by the veins. Before Rayleigh-Jean's law, a scientist known as Vein displacement, he worked on the curve of black body radiation. He presented a formula, he presented a theory for the black body radiation curve, which was coincide at the shorter wavelength but fell into the longer wavelength. Before discuss the Rayleigh-Jean's law, student, first of all see the previous video lecture, Vein displacement law, black body radiation curve, its explanation, introduction. So after that you people can learn the concept of Rayleigh-Jean's law. So therefore I request to you people to first of all see the previous video lecture to know about the black body radiation, about the black body, its curve, Vein displacement law. So after that you people can learn the basic concept of Rayleigh-Jean's law. Let us start. Today we are going to discuss Rayleigh-Jean's law. Before Rayleigh-Jean's law, Vein displacement law was presented by Vein scientist. Vein displacement law was coincide at the shorter wavelength but fell at the longer wavelength. It was failed to explain the black body radiation curve. So therefore Rayleigh-Jean came and start work on the black body radiation curve. He observed the experimental data of the black body radiation. Rayleigh-Jean used kinetic theory of gases and presented a formula which is known as Rayleigh-Jean's law. Rayleigh-Jean's law. Rayleigh-Jean was a scientist. He presented a formula which is given E must be 8 pi kt lambda raised to power 4. You people see on the board. This is the formula of the Rayleigh-Jean's law, and this is known as Rayleigh-Jean's law. By the help of this law, by the help of this theory, Rayleigh-Jean used kinetic theory of gases, and he got a curve. You people see, this curve is known as Rayleigh-Jean's law. This curve is experimental curve of the black body radiation. This curve is experimental data of black body radiation. You people see that this curve and this curve, Rayleigh-Jean's curve and experimental curve, is not same. Only at this portion it is same with experimental data, but at this point, at this region, it does not coincide with experimental curve. This is the failure of Rayleigh-Jean's law. Rayleigh-Jean's law occurs by the help of this formula. We go in this direction, then the wavelength is going to longer. Here the wavelength is smaller, greater and greater. This is infrared region, this is visible region, and this is ultraviolet region. A detailed discussion has been done on the infrared, visible, ultraviolet. For this concept, you people see the previous video. Let us further, we are going to discuss. This is the experimental curve of the black body radiation. The black body which emits radiation, when his curve is plotted, he looks like this type. This is known as black body radiation experimental curve. When Rayleigh-Jean presented a formula using gas kinetic theory of gases, he got this curve. So this curve is coincide a longer wavelength. This wavelength, when we go in this direction, then wavelength going to increase, going to longer. Here wavelength is shorter, here wavelength is greater, and here wavelength is more greater. Invisible region, infrared region, visible region, and ultraviolet region. When Rayleigh-Jeans law presented a formula and got a curve, then this curve was different at shorter wavelength but coincide at the longer wavelength. So at the shorter wavelength, the Rayleigh-Jeans curve is not coincide with the experimental curve. So this is known as ultraviolet catastrophe. This prediction is known as ultraviolet catastrophe. Ultraviolet catastrophe means at small wavelength a huge amount of radiation emitted. But this is not possible. This is classical theory concept. This is not possible because it is not possible that at very short wavelength infinite energy how we can get. At the shorter wavelength we see from the graph then the intensity going to infinity, where this is the big failure of classical theory. So therefore Rayleigh-Jeans law failed to explain the complete curve of black body radiation. Rayleigh-Jeans law presented a formula which is you people see on the board. E lambda is equal to 85 kT divided by lambda raised to power 4. By this formula he got a curve which you people see. This curve is known as Rayleigh-Jeans law. Rayleigh-Jeans law is only coincide, is suited, matched only at the longer wavelength. At the longer wavelength, the experimental curve and the Rayleigh-Jeans curve is coincide. So it is true for the longer wavelength. But when we see that the wavelength is going to be shorter, the intensity going to be infinity. But this is not possible. So at the shorter wavelength, you people see that a shorter wavelength, the curve is not coincide with the experimental curve, because experimental curve in this type, but this is going to infinity. So therefore Rayleigh-Jeans law failed to explain the experimental curve of black body radiation. So black body radiation was discussed by two scientists, Wayne and Rayleigh-Jeans. Wayne was presented a formula, a theory for the black body radiation curve which was suitable only at the shorter wavelength but cannot explain at the longer position. But Rayleigh-Jeans, when presented a formula for the black body radiation, presented a theory, then he got a curve which was coincide only in the longer wavelength but fail at the shorter wavelength. At the shorter wavelength it goes to infinity, and this prediction is known as ultraviolet catastrophe. Ultraviolet catastrophe, we can define the failure of classical physics. The failure of classical physics. So these two scientists, Wayne and Rayleigh-Jeans, failed to explain the experimental curve of black body radiation. After that, another scientist, Max Planck, came and after some modification in the classical theory, Rayleigh-Jeans theory, he done and plotted a curve which was completely coincide with the experimental data, with the experimental curve of the black body radiation. So another discussion on the black body radiation inshallah will be done, and we explain the Planck's quantum theory on the black body radiation, how Planck's quantum theory may explain solved the problem of black body radiation, how he is plotted a curve which was coincide with the experimental curve of the black body radiation. Further discussion will be in the next video. Today it is enough. Okay, thanks.